Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video, I will show you how you could easily download and install Pinterest application into your Windows 11 computer. To begin, click on the search bar and type Microsoft Store. The Microsoft Store app will open or will show. Click on it to open. Wait until the Microsoft Store finishes refreshing. After that, we will need to click on the search bar and type Pinterest. You will see the application. Click on it to open. Click Install and wait few seconds until the download and installation is completed, as both processes are automatic. Once done, click Open. You can close the Microsoft Store for now. Select Create Desktop Shortcut and click Allow. You can either log in or sign up to use the application. If you close the application, you can always double-click on the icon on the desktop to have it open again. Thank you for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.